Have you ever walked into a home that feels overwhelming or messy, even though it's clean? Often, it's not about money or style. It's about a few common design mistakes that make a home look cluttered or tacky without us realizing it. In this video, I'll share 7 things that can make a home tacky and simple, affordable ways to fix them for a cleaner, more timeless look. Number 1. Too many decorative items. When every surface is covered with decor, nothing stands out. Too many candles, figurines, signs, or random objects can make a space feel cluttered instead of cozy. Choose fewer pieces you truly love and give them space to breathe. Less decor often looks more intentional and elegant. Number 2. Visible clutter on counters. Even stylish homes can look messy when countertops are crowded. Kitchen counters full of appliances or bathroom counters packed with products instantly make a space feel chaotic. Instead, keep only daily use items visible and store the rest out of sight. Clear surfaces make any home look cleaner and more high-end. Number 3. Mismatched or overly trendy decor. Following every trend can quickly make a home feel dated. Bright colors, bold patterns, or trendy items bought all at once can clash and overwhelm the space. So stick to a neutral base and add trends in small, removable ways like pillows or throws. Number 4. Cheap or overused wall art. Mass-produced wall art, word signs, or too many framed quotes can cheapen the look of a room, especially when they're everywhere. Instead, choose one meaningful art piece, a simple photograph, or even framed fabric or texture. Quality matters more than quantity. Number 5. Poor lighting. Harsh overhead lighting or mismatched light temperatures can make a space feel cold and uninviting. Lighting is often overlooked, but it makes a huge difference. So use warm lighting, table lamps or floor lamps to create layers. Soft lighting instantly upgrades any room. Number 6. Overcrowded furniture. Too much furniture, especially large pieces, can make a room feel cramped and uncomfortable. If walking through a room feels tight, it's probably too full. Instead, remove extra pieces and allow space to move freely. A few well-placed items always look better than many crowded ones. 7. Ignoring function for style. When a home looks nice but doesn't work for daily life, clutter builds up fast. Storage that doesn't fit your lifestyle leads to mess and frustration. Choose furniture and storage that supports how you actually live. A functional home always looks better long-term. A home doesn't look stylish because of how much you buy. It looks stylish because of what you choose to leave out. Simple changes can make a huge difference without spending more money. If this video helped you, like and subscribe, and comment below. Which of these mistakes do you see most often? Thanks for watching.